welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. So I am so excited for today's video. I am going to be doing a first impression slash unboxing slash try on haul for the brand WISKII. So if you haven't heard of WISKII, they are this athletic slash athleisure brand, which if you know me, I definitely fall in the athleisure category. You know, with these cute outfits, definitely might encourage me to work out more, and I might encourage you too. So if you got working out on your resolutions for New Year's, you're gonna love this brand. I'm pretty sure this will help you achieve that goal. Because obviously, working out is 10 times better if you have a cute outfit to work out in. Am I wrong? Let me know in the comments. Do you guys feel better if you're working out in a cute outfit, or does it not matter to you? It might just be me. Also, literally all of their sets and items on their website are so stinking cute. Like, so trendy and stylish. They definitely win the design category of athleisure slash athletic wear. All right, so before we get into the unboxing, the try on, the first impressions, please do take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. And yeah, let's move on to the unboxing portion of this video. All right, so I'm gonna grab the box. So here is the box. It has the brand on it, WISKII Chic and Active, which you will see that is the perfect description for their clothing. And then on the back, super cute, it has designed with passion and attention to comfort. Has the website here, and yeah, let's just open it up. Oh, here it is. Dare to dream. And the inside, this box is like so pretty. All this like feathery, soft purple dream vibes going on in the box. So here it is, and then I have all of my pieces in here. So I'll go ahead and put this down and start just jumping into the outfits I got. All right, so I'm going to be opening up the first piece. And they all have little kind of like branded bags that also say Chic and Active, WISKII. So let's open it up. Oh my gosh, this is literally so soft. I don't know what I was expecting, but I did not expect this. It's like very, very nice quality. And here, I'm just talking about the fabric. I haven't even showed you the actual sports bra. So this is their strappy back sports bra. So just like the name says, it does have a super cute strappy back detail on it, which is so fun and very stylish and trendy. And then the front is pretty standard kind of sports bra style. I do like how the straps are pretty thin, like not too thick of straps. And then something I love about this sports bra is it does have some padding in it, and it is removable, so if that's not your thing, you can always remove it. It's kind of like my pet peeve when sports bras don't have that in it, because you know, what if you're going on a run and it's cold out? You know, you need some coverage there. Yeah, I always feel just way more comfortable in sports bras when there is that sort of coverage and support in them. So that is a huge plus in my book. And like I said, it is removable, so if that is not your thing, you can very easily just remove it. But yeah, this fabric is so soft, so comfortable, and just really like thick and very great quality. So I am super impressed just off the bat with this piece. I am wearing it in a size small, and I don't know why, but I feel like most kind of athletic athleisure brands do run on the small side, but I am wearing this one in a size small, and I will say a small fits perfect on me. So I would say in that aspect to maybe try ordering a size up, just because it does seem to run a little bit on the small side. One thing I really do love about this brand is the color selection on it is so cute and just beautiful colors. This one is the color Dawn, and it's this kind of creamy, cloudy gray color, which I think is so cute and so trendy. But yeah, like I said, it does come in a bunch of other colors. But yeah, overall, this is such a cute sports bra, great quality, and yeah, now moving on to the matching leggings that I got for this one. All right, here they are. Go ahead and open these up. So these are their buttery seamless leggings, and I think the name just speaks for itself. These are very buttery soft leggings, so comfortable. What I also love about these is the design on them. They are so cute. I love the strap around the stomach. So these are a bit more high-waisted, which I think is really cute with the sports bra set. It just looks really great together in my opinion. And then all of the detail along the side of the pant is really pretty. So you can see, I'll show you guys a little close up. All of this pattern and detail on it is really pretty. And it just kind of adds a little bit of flavor to your leggings. So they're not just kind of plain leggings. You got a little flair to them, a little bit of style. And it also has some flattering shaping and design and shading in the back, you know, give yourself a little bit of booty lift in these leggings. But yeah, these ones are so cute. I am wearing them in a size small, and again, like I was saying, activewear tends to run on the smaller side, so going a size up I think would be perfect. Yeah, size small fits great. Just overall, as a little set, I think this is so cute. This one is also in the dawn color, and I really like how the website does have some set colors, so you can just go through and pick the style that you like and just find the same color in like a sports bra or like a long sleeve top, and then you can easily mix and match and make your own sets, which is really cool. But yeah, overall, this set is so cute, so soft, great quality, stylish, and I can't wait to wear these way too much for the rest of winter and spring and onward. All right, and now moving on to the next set. Next up, we got, this is the Suit Yourself Sports Bra, and it is so stinking cute. It has this fun little like crisscross detail in the front, and then again the same kind of thin straps, kind of a strappy back as well. I think it's so pretty and feminine, and I love the color that this one comes in, and it also comes in like a bajillion different colors, but this one is the taro ice cream, and it is such the perfect lavender purple color. Seriously, so pretty, so beautiful. And this sports bra is part of their WISKII Lyrica Nude Sensation series, which is love at first feel, which is true. This is love at first feel. This is so soft and breathable, super stretchy, literally fits like a glove. Honestly, all of these items fit like a glove. This fabric is seriously amazing. Similar to the first sports bra, this one also does have some of the padding inserts, which again are removable, or you can keep them in. You know my preference, I do enjoy having the inserts in. And also this has the brand on the back of it, super cute, and this kind of like metallic-y color, which is really pretty and just kind of pops a little bit on the back of it. Yeah, this one, the design is so elegant, stylish, and also very like feminine and girly, which I really like. Again, with those inner straps and the like strappiness of it all, I think is really cute. Yeah, let me show you guys the matching leggings that I got with this, which I'm also super excited about. But yeah, let me open those up for you guys. All right, so these are the training mesh leggings, and the design on this one is so cute and so fun. It kind of has this sheer mesh on it and like a little crisscrossy design, which I think is so trendy and very fun. Also, something that is very flattering and feminine about this is the front has this V cut on the waistline, and I think that's just so cute and honestly really flattering when you're wearing them. This one is also part of their WISKII Nude Sensation series. Again, love at first feel. So buttery soft, lightweight, stretchy, all that good stuff. I will say this pair is a little bit more lightweight than the first pair of leggings. Nothing like dramatically different, but I did notice a little bit of a difference in that. So if you're looking for something a bit more lightweight, I would definitely lean towards this one. I also like how, again, it does have the brand name on the front in that metallic-y color, which matches the sports bra perfectly. But yeah, this is just such a cute set. Again, I am wearing it in a small, and I think the fit is perfect. Also, this one does come in a variety of colors. This is the taro ice cream to match. I honestly don't know which set I love more. They are both so stinking cute. Okay, final thoughts. Okay, wrapping it up to final thoughts now. Okay, final thoughts on WISKII and their workout athleisure clothes. Obviously, you can tell I love everything I tried on today. I think they have such good quality pieces. All of the fits were great. Also, the styles are so cute. What I showed you guys is just a little drop in the bucket of all of the different designs that they have on their website. I will link the website for you guys down below in the description, so definitely worth checking out. Yeah, like I said, they have so many cute designs and cuts and styles of all these pieces. Also, I do have a discount code for you guys, so if you want to save 21% off, use the code TW23. So be sure to go buy now, save some money, use my discount code. I will also be linking all the items that I specifically tried on today so you can quickly get to those links. Again, I highly recommend. Like the designs that I tried on were just so chic and feminine and kind of girly, and were honestly just really flattering as well. So yeah, overall, 2 thumbs up. And so if you enjoyed this style video, first impression, unboxing, try on, be sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, if you like me reviewing activewear, this is something that I haven't really done before, but I enjoy activewear. Like I said, big athleisure gal. It's probably what I wear most of the time, but yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you kind of like that. And be sure to leave a comment down below which set or piece was your favorite, which one are you definitely going to pick up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.